Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to allow wireless emergency alerts. So go to your settings on your phone and then simply go down to where you have safety and emergency. Tap on that. Then you want to click on wireless emergency alerts. And from here, you will see the option that says allow alerts. So in most cases, it's going to be off. So you want to toggle this on to have all of these alerts available through wireless connectivity. So as you can see, you have extreme threats, severe threats, amber alerts, test alerts. You can even go ahead and check your emergency alert history from here. And also you can enable or disable vibrations, and even set alert reminder if you so desire here. On top of that, you can also enable or disable speak alert message. So it's really up to you. If you want to go ahead and enable this via wireless, this is how you can allow the wireless emergency alert on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like and see you next time.